afternoon and welcome to Ti22 again, my little channel where I talk to you about the cars we've been detailing. So, as per usual, I've grabbed the camera about half an hour before this gets delivered, which just gives me time after I've spoken to you now to double check it, triple check it, and give it back to my customer. Hope you enjoyed the two 2020 RS6 videos. My city Danny one like this, and if you haven't seen it, the one on all the chips. A lot of chips on a car, more than 100 chips on a car with 600 miles on, so not quite sure what's going on with that. When you see that video, you'll see it's pretty obvious why we do a lot of PPF these days. Modern paint chemistry is changing, paint is getting thinner. Yeah, quite shocking video to see, so if you haven't seen that, worth a look. Thanks for all your views on those. And yeah, on to talk about this one really. So from one twin turbo V8 Audi to another black twin turbo V8 Audi. Very different car though. This car is 5 years old, 45,000 miles. Customer has bought the car, wants it freshened up, wants it ceramic coated and protected so it's nice and easy to look after. So it's had what I would call an enhancement details, probably a bit more like an enhancement plus. We see a lot of these bigger cars like this that have probably done a lot of work around London or those sorts of places because of the type of car it is. It often has a driver, or looking good is important. However, it's often in a place where it can't get great washing, so nice snow foam and a hand wash with a nice mitt. So a lot of marks on this one from automated car washes, which is common. We can fix that, but it takes a lot of time on a big barge like this. So a lot of machine polishing. After we've done about 2 days worth of machine polishing, after we've done that, this has had the super cool coating that we're really enjoying from XPEL. XPEL's Fusion coating, which is a 3-year warranted ceramic coating. Really lifts the paint even more after the polishing work, which obviously is the thing that affects the look of the car the most. But also protects it really nicely. The water behaviour is nice. Yeah, super impressed with it. So, big old car this, as with all of these things, had a little bit of paintwork here and there. But a really nice age to buy these things. We do lots of jobs like this where the car is 3 to 5 years old, benefits from detailing a lot. Obviously, the cars have depreciated a lot, so to put a couple of quid into us spending a few days polishing it and protecting it, the car really, unless you're super picky and you've got a very silly bright torch like me, it's not far off brand new, to be honest. It's a proper inky black again now, which one of the effects of swirl marks over time is that the way the light reflects through the colour is diminished, and on a darker colour they go lighter, so a black goes to a grey. So I can probably fill in a little 50-50 for you now. So James, put a 50-50 in here. So there you go. From that 50-50, you can see the sort of before and after on that back quarter. You can see where you may or may not, be annoyed by all those swirl marks. We as detailers can't stand them. But you can definitely see the effect that removing them has on that proper inky black paintwork. So really pleased with this car. It's come back really nicely. Looking forward to giving it back to the customer in a minute. And as per usual, I'll pick you up in a minute and you can stay for some music and a bit more of a look around the car if you want to. So thank you for watching again. If you're not subscribed and you like watching this, hopefully my sound from the previous videos or from videos we were doing about 18 months ago is a lot better now. This camera records sound a lot better. Hopefully you're enjoying these sorts of things. As I always say, let me know. Do you like an S8? Would you prefer the RS6 that we had in? I think everybody's got a real soft spot for an RS6, haven't they? But these are super cool things actually. Really interesting to see between the two cars how far Audi's interiors have come in just 4 or 5 years. The brand new 2020 RS6 is like a starship inside. All glass, touchscreen and everything everywhere. whereas this is a lovely interior, but it's amazing how quickly Audi have moved on even from this standard of interior. So yeah, if you're not subscribed, please do. Get us into those 4 figures. Not that it means anymore, not that cash is going to rain from the sky or anything for me, but it's a mental barrier more than anything. It'd be lovely to get into 4 figures of subscribers. Give us a like, give us a comment, maybe share the video with your pals who've got an S8. I don't know. So yeah, other than that, I'm going to pick you up and grab you around. Enjoy the music in a minute. Have a great day. Not sure when we'll get this out to you. At the moment, I'm managing to do 2 a week of these, so hopefully, so long as you lovely people keep sending me that volume of vehicles, then we can keep sort of giving you 2 a week of these videos. So hope you're enjoying them. And other than that, have a great day. Maybe enjoy some other videos from the channel. I think next car through will be one of the new Alpines, which one of my customers bought a year ago and is going to come back in for its sort of annual update. We'll redo the top coat of the ceramic, attend to a few little areas. He's been using the car quite regularly, so look forward to getting that one in, and then look forward to sitting down and telling you all about it. So thank you very much for watching again, everybody, and we look forward to seeing you again soon.